Well, in the late 1930s, the only place a Jew could go without a visa was Shanghai. So about 17,000 Jews ended up in Shanghai. And I think the number increased by 1941. The Germans, who were so obsessed with killing all Jews that they actually sent Gestapo delegates to the Japanese to persuade them to murder all the Shanghai Jews. Well, I know that the Mir Yeshiva arrived in Shanghai. I know that groups of religious scholars arrived in Shanghai, many German Jews, many Austrian Jews. They were helped by the Joint Distribution Committee. Some made their way to Kobe, Japan. Some were then given American visas through the offices of the Jewish Labor Committee. But as I said, Shanghai was the one place where, say, in 1939, you could get to. The international enclaves of Shanghai did not require visas.